Hey everybody, welcome back to Pop's Place Garage. I know it's been a little while, but I get idle for a while sometimes doing some unrelated stuff that you guys just wouldn't be interested in seeing. That's life, it happens. But we're getting busy back here at Pop's Place Garage again, and I have a garage full of motorcycle work. So I want to share with you guys because I know it's been a while and you guys subscribed for the motorcycle content. And I've done a lot of other stuff that you may or may not be interested in, but we're going to get back to some motorcycle stuff because officially I am going to be full-time opening motorcycle service shop here at my home garage, and then we'll see where that goes. There seems to be a need for work in my area besides just the painting stuff, so I love tinkering with bikes, so that's right up my alley. I'm going to show you what we got going on here. If you've been following me for a while, you know that my garage is always cluttered. I have way too much stuff for the size of the garage, but I can move it around pretty easily as need be. So I've got this cool Evo FXR here. It's the Evo engine. It's got some high compression pistons in it, and he had a little problem with the bottom breather crankcase ventilation for some reason, and it bent the push rods. So we're going to get those regular push rods out of this motor and put some adjustable ones in there. And I'm also going to paint this bike. It's going to be like a candy teal with some silver leaf on it. So I'll post more about that one. I'm going to get busy tearing this thing down. And then I've got this Harley Davidson Fat Boy that's been just sitting up for about 10 years, and the fuel has went bad, the brake systems went bad, so I'm gonna have to just kind of evaluate it. It needs to run, ride, and stop. No paint work or anything on this one. We're just gonna take it and bring it back from the dead. So that'll be a fun video just on this bike about bringing this thing back from the dead. I've got a new battery for it sitting there, but it has not been turned on in many years. I'll clean it up, get it running, check that out. Over here, we've got the choppers, the shop choppers. It's the S&S Panhead, jockey shift bike, and then we've got a little Evo 1200 Sportster here on a rigid frame. These are Robert's bikes, but they kind of live here, and I plan to be riding that Sportster quite a bit once he gets both of these going. I have a little project of my own coming, a little chopper project that you guys will get a kick out of, but the shop truck has been putting in work. It's running great. It's looking good with the fender flares on it. F-250 Super Duty shop truck. So thanks for joining me, guys. I'm going to keep this video short. This is just a little bit of a preview of what's going to be coming soon to Pop's Place channel. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends. Thanks.